Hello and welcome to Bert's Imperfect Bake, the channel where it's okay to not bake perfectly every time. I'm Bert and today we're going to be making some brownies. Now for those who know me, know that brownies are not my strong point. Everyone thinks brownies are dead easy to make. I can assure you they're not, at all. Previous attempts have included this, and this major failed attempt which came out of the oven with a jelly layer. What the hell? So my attempt today is hopefully going to create an actual brownie. We shall see.
Preheat your oven to 200 or 180 degrees fan for Celsius, and the first two ingredients you need are 150 grams of butter and 150 grams of dark chocolate. Melt these together over a pan of simmering water like so. Now for the rest of the ingredients. 3 eggs, 225 grams of soft light brown sugar, 100 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of vanilla. As you can see, I've already got my buttery melted chocolate to one side so it can cool down a little. Add your eggs to the mixing bowl. Followed by the sugar, and whisk together until nice and foamy. Add your now cool-ish buttery chocolate mix. Ensure you get it all out with your trusty spatula. Add your flour and the vanilla. This lid is getting stiffer every time I try and open it. Up it goes. Give everything a nice fold with a metal spoon until everything is nicely incorporated. Prepare the squarest tin you can find with a good greasing of butter and a nice square piece of baking paper. Pour your mixture into the tin. Give it a little tap on the surface to make sure it's nice and level, and then pop it in the oven for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is what mine looked like fresh out the oven. I left it to cool for a good 20 minutes. Here goes. Gently run a knife around the edge of your tray to loosen the edges. Tip the tray up to extract the brownie, or what should be a brownie. Remove the baking paper and then quickly slam it down on the board. That was an unintentional slam, by the way. Slice it right down the middle to see if it's actually cooked. As you can see, it looks cooked, but I'm not convinced, to be fair. Mediocre at best. Cut it into a smaller square to investigate further. Oh look, there's Molly again.
So we've taken it out of the oven, as you can see. We've sliced it and it looks cooked, but I'm not sure it'll taste cooked. Husband added a bit of salt, so see if it'll make it taste any better. And classic Burt cooking flour, still there. Bit more flour. It's fine, it's fine. So let's sample this. Would you like to sample the salt?
You try first.
Oh, good salt. Ah. Oh,
I like salt.
it's gone through. Let me give it a try.
Yeah.
Well, tastes good. Tastes like a brownie. It's been cooling for about, when it first came out of the oven it was a bit odd, a bit wobbly. I left it to cool for a good 20 minutes and this is the end result. Still warm-ish. Tastes alright. Edible. Give it a go. You might have a better product than me. Thanks for watching.